What's up, do-it-yourselfers? Tasha Manning with Dynesic Technologies here to show you why every home and boat should be equipped with a DURAPATCH repair kit. DURAPATCH is a unique multi-component Novolac epoxy designed to quickly and permanently patch, seal, and repair holes, leaks, and cracks in metal, concrete, fiberglass, plastic, and almost any other surface. DURAPATCH comes in this repair kit that includes 2 burst seal bags of resin and hardener and this mixing trowel. You simply pull off the lining seal and begin to empty the contents of the resin onto the mixing surface. It's a pretty thick consistency, so it's much easier to use the trowel to get the entire contents out. There you go. Now you can get the hardener and do the same thing. When mixing, continue to work it until you get a blended, uniform color. It's important to get a thorough mix, but be ready to go soon after because DURAPATCH cures quickly. That should just about do it. Okay, DURAPATCH is ready to apply. Here we have a leak in a swimming pool pump. DURAPATCH works great for almost any leak problem and is ideal for pool equipment. DURAPATCH also works great for boat leaks because it sets up and cures quickly under standing water. It'll take 5 to 15 minutes to cure, depending on the ambient temperature, and only 5 minutes to mix and apply. Once applied, the leak stops. Within 5 minutes, job done. DURAPATCH is 100% solids, contains no volatile organic compounds, is safe to use, and environmentally friendly. We would love to see before and after photos of your project, so please send them to the Dynesic website or email to sales@dynesic.com. DURAPATCH it. Job done.